Hello, and today Charlotte's joining in as we try one from Mallorca.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Spain.
Spain.
That's very exciting.
It is. The tap di Corti.
Yes.
Tap di Corti.
And they grow them to make...
Paprika powder
Yeah.
to colour up their sausages that they make and stuff like that.
Ooh.
Marc from Belgium sent me these over, and
Oh,
we've
thank
grown
you,
them
Marc.
for a few years.
That's excellent.
But they didn't grow that well last year, but they're looking pretty amazing this year. Oh, short, stocky plants, but they're really chunking up. Do you want to grab one for me?
One there. Good.
You got one?
Yeah.
Excellent. But yeah, an annuum, short, stocky, but the pods, they're about 7 or so centimetres long, which is nearly 3 inches.
And they're really solid. Like,
4 centimetres wide. Yeah, you could.
Yeah. Dunk. Knock someone out. Poke someone in the eye. If you wanted to defend yourself.
But yeah, cool looking pods.
Yeah.
Being a sort of a paprika, that's usually not that hot.
No, that's
So
true.
fingers
but
crossed I'm not going to burn you.
Sometimes
That
annuum
bad?
can be really hectic.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
let's
I
see.
know. Let's see how they go. Cheers.
Let's
Tap
dig
di
in.
Corti.
Tap di Corti from Mallorca, a
Yeah,
very famous Spanish island.
they're
Yeah.
big.
They're very big.
Mmm. Sweet. I like capsicum like flavour.
Really thick pots. Lots of meat in them. I do see why they make them to powder, because that would give an awful lot of good powder. And now I can just talk and talk and talk because you have your mouth full. But they taste good.
Mm. It's sweet, but not sugary sweet, more of a fruit.
Yeah, they taste better than a capsicum, definitely.
Mm-hmm. But there's lots of it.
Yeah. It's a whole meal, this one.
I know. They're really thick, crunchy. I wouldn't say apple, but
No.
it's just really sweet.
Yeah.
But
Are you getting any heat?
not really. How are you going?
No.
No?
Tiny, tiny, tiny. They're very mild.
Well, I can see what they're using for colour.
Yeah. Yeah. For sure. And flavour.
Mm. Oh yeah, definitely. Salads, straight up.
Yeah.
I'm getting a slight tingle. Ooh, something just popped out, seed, on my lips. But that's about it.
Yeah.
So they're quite mild.
Trying to bite more into the placenta to see if I can get...
No, well, I ate the whole thing.
Yeah,
and
I know.
just didn't get.
But delicious flavour.
So heat-wise, bah.
No.
Flavour. They would be excellent for kids or something to grow.
Yeah.
Or, yeah, salads.
Yeah. And even like let the kids grow them, make powder with them. It won't be hectic to make the powder because it's not
Yeah, or
hectic
any.
chili, and then they can sprinkle it in their food.
Yeah. Any recipe that has capsicum in it, like if you're doing a stir fry or something like that. Oh, I don't have capsicums. Oh, I've got tap di Cortis.
Yeah.
So I'm still getting that flavour though.
Yeah. Me
So
too.
the flavour stays. It goes for ages. I don't think we're gonna have to let people wait and do it 5 minutes later because nothing's really going to happen.
No.
Well, there you have it.
Yeah.
Tapa di Corti. An annuum from Mallorca. Can hide behind
Very
the plant.
cool. Yeah. And you can see they start out green and then they go a bit like
Yeah.
almost blackish.
Got a bit of a black through them. I think that's sun related.
And
but-
then they change colour to red.
But it's weird because they're short, stocky plants, but they're big, bauble-y chilies. There we have it. Thanks, Mark, for sending those. And the other one, I forget, but that's going well too, and we'll video that up soon as well.
Okay. Thank you.
But yeah. So that's about it. Thank you for joining me.
Today it was a pleasure.
I'll get you soon with that one.
I even brought in I made some cold tea, so if I was going to struggle, I had something to drink. But
Yeah, but we
I
never
didn't
know
struggle
what
today.
they're going to do, so...
No.
There you go. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Alright, well yeah, thanks for joining in.
You're welcome.
Thanks everyone for watching. We'll get them up on the site fairly soon because we've got some seeds. I've still got seeds from last year, we just haven't put them on the site yet.
Okay.
Alright, so yeah, thanks everyone for watching and we'll catch you all later for some more chili adventures.
We will.
We will.
And I'm sure you will burn me next time.
Oh, I'll try.
Catch ya.